If you want to install Cursor AI on Windows 11, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Cursor is a popular AI-powered code editor that helps you write, edit, and understand code faster, and installing it on Windows 11 is quick and easy when you follow the right steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the official Cursor download page. It's always best to download software from the official website so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date version. When the download page loads, look for the button that says Download for Windows. Click that button to start downloading the installer. Your browser will begin downloading a file called CursorUserSetup.exe. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer, so wait for the download to finish completely. After the download is done, go to your Downloads folder or click the downloaded file from your browser's download bar. Then double-click the Cursor installer file to launch the setup process. Windows may ask for permission to open the file, so if you see a prompt, choose Yes to continue. Now the installation wizard will appear on your screen. The first thing you need to do is click I accept the agreement. This confirms that you agree to the software terms and it allows you to continue with the installation. After that, click Next. On the next screen, you'll usually see another Next button, so click Next again to move forward through the setup steps. Cursor keeps the install process simple, so there usually aren't many options you need to change unless you specifically want to customize the location or settings. Once you reach the installation screen, click Install. At this point, Cursor will begin installing automatically on your Windows 11 computer. You don't need to do much here except wait while the installer copies the files and finishes setting everything up. When the installation is complete, Cursor should be ready to open right away. If you see a Finish screen, click Finish to close the installer. You can now launch Cursor AI from your desktop, Start menu, or wherever the shortcut was created. And that's it, Cursor AI is now installed on Windows 11. From here, you can start using it for coding, editing, and building projects with AI assistance. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to install next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.